friend, let's find the McQueen and the muddy car. Let's go. Taram. Wow. What is that, my friend? Beautiful and so muddy. And this one, amazing. Okay, we are going to take one by one, my friend. Let's go. This one first. Okay. All right. So muddy, my friend. Very nice. Let's go. We are going to clean it up. Right here, my friend. See the water. So fresh and clean. Okay, what is this, my friend? Amazing. Big truck, I think. Yeah, this is kind of big truck. Very good. And this one is, what is this? I don't know. Let's see, my friend. It's clean already. Oh, a fire rescue. Very nice. Okay, this one is a tandem roller. Very good. What about this? This is a Jeep, my friend. Beautiful. Good. Wow, amazing. This one is a rally car. Alright. And what is this? Let's see. Good, my friend. This one is a dump car. Dump truck. Right. What is this? Yes, it is a snow tractor. Nice. Amazing, my friend. Wow, my friend. This is a Tayo.
Okay, I'm off.
Very good. Alright. And what is this? Aha! Captain of America. Well, this one is a camel, my friend.
An Arabian camel. Introduced in the 1800s by early explorers.
Beautiful camel. Yeehaw! And this one is, what is this? Oh, sorry. Tayo again, red Tayo, minibus.
Right. Oh, nice.
Hey, I've got one.
Okay. Ah, this is beautiful dinosaurs, my friend. Okay, what is this? NASCAR maybe.
That much, over 20 cars in the lead lap. We cannot take a chance on finishing 25th by running out of gas, so they had to come down and fill it up.
Maybe, okay. Very nice. Amazing. No more. Let's go again, my friend. Spray it again. Yeah. Yes, it is. So muddy, my friend. Alright. Let's take it. One by one. Oh, McQueen. Yeah. Very nice, my friend. Okay. Alright, my friend, let's go. Okay. Nito, my friend. Okay. What is this, my friend? Let's see, my friend. What is this? Oh, rally car again. dive in. Yellow. I like it. Alright. Yeah. What is this, my friend? This is a McQueen.
Did like this too.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet
Signorina Sally.
It is a
Nice. What is this? Let's see, my friend. Sorry. Okay, Thomas. Very good. This one is Tayo yellow.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Okay. Wow. What is this, my friend? Wow. It's kind of monster truck. Whoa. And this one is, what is this? Amazing, my friend. Wow. This is Jeep, my friend. Okay. What's this? This is a NASCAR.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Labonte went around off turn number 4. And
Let's go, my friend. Wow. Alright. What is this, my friend? Sorry. This is kind of plane, my friend. Okay. And this one, red color, is a rally car for the race. Okay. And this one is, what is this? My friend, let's see. This is a big truck. Okay, wood, stone. And this one is Tayo again. Nice color, my friend.
Bogey, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Let's see. Green color. Okay. And this one is a Excavator. Alright. Amazing. Okay. Nice. What is this? Oh, loader. Good. See my friend no more? Here, clean already. Okay, I'll see you, my friend. Nice.